What's up, guys? I'm finally uploading another video after a while. Today I have something very interesting. I haven't been really motivated to do anything since, I don't know, soldering stuff to the typical, like the makeshift circuit board is pretty annoying. I was gonna try to build a Royer oscillator, but there's just too many outputs to attach, and yeah, I mean, I have everything attached here if I ever wanted to make some simple flyback transformer driver. But yeah, what I have here today is a signal generator. That's all it is. I'm going to use it to drive this big igbt module to switch crazy amounts of power and just have a lot of fun with driving different stuff. I'll tell you what it does. I'll list the components here first. This is a 5-volt power supply. That's just a current limiting resistor. This is the actual signal generator. The interesting thing is that it's from a viewfinder, like this, from a camera. This one's still intact and everything. But I removed the very tiny flyback transformer, which would generate the high voltage for the tiny tube, and I replaced it with this plug. And the cool thing about this is chip is the signal generator, and of course this horizontal output transistor, this tiny one, steps the power up. But this thing doesn't need an AFC, which is a automatic frequency control, which in much bigger TV sets you would have the flyback transformer having a smaller winding, which would be feedback kind of. And this thing doesn't need feedback, so I can just use the output straight. Although I do have to simulate like a primary of the flyback transformer with this inductor here, which also makes it able that you can hear the frequency. And then here's the deflection yoke, like it would be on here, and it's just to stabilize the frequency, as it's like actually part of the circuit originally. And so yeah, I have a gate driver in the typical gate driver circuit, and here's the limiting resistor for the outputs of the signal generator, and then a 0.1 nanofarad capacitor. And then here's the gate driver power supply. It outputs 19 volts, and it's a PC power supply. So yeah, now I'm gonna test it. Okay, I got my meter. I'm gonna set it to AC first. So, and yeah, set it to hertz. Let's try that. I don't know if you can hear that. Here we go. I have it set to 15 hertz right now, but it can go from 11 hertz all the way to 18 hertz. Or about 20 hertz. So yeah, it's very simple. It's a very simple thing to build since you already have the signal generator and you just have to step up the signals, sir. But it can also be used to drive like MOSFETs or BGTs. So yeah, that's cool. Thanks for watching.